Your gut loves foods that are high in these 4 must-have components. And no, yogurt is not one of them. We have trillions of live microorganisms that live there and make its operations possible. And guess what? These feisty little creatures have their very own food preferences. And if we don't feed them what they want and what they like, they pay us back with bloating, constipation, diarrhea, IBS, even colon cancer. Ooh. My name is Oksana. I'm a registered nurse and a natural wellness coach, and you are on my No Prescription Needed channel, where I teach people like you and I how to heal our body with food. Self-healing is not only possible, but it is easy. It starts with food because we are what we eat. If this resonates with you, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so we can start healing together. These are the 4 components of our gut's favorite menu: digestive enzymes, natural digestive enzymes, fiber, probiotics, prebiotics. Keep in mind, our gut bacteria is alive. Therefore, its favorite foods are live foods, not burgers. Let's go. Number 5, we've got cabbage. Fantastic to scrape your gut and to heal your intestinal lining. Cabbage suppresses growth of colon polyps, which are precursors to colon cancer. By the way, red cabbage has twice the fiber compared to white cabbage. Salad made with sliced cabbage and a little bit of olive oil works as a brush inside your intestines and colon. Cabbage juice can heal any ulcers or inflammation inside of our gut and digestive system. Number 4. The best antiseptic ever. Everyone needs garlic. The best prebiotic ever. Prebiotic feeds probiotic, which is the gut bacteria, your microbiome. Garlic also thins your blood. It works very much like aspirin, except it doesn't cause a leaky gut, unlike aspirin. An important thing to keep in mind, garlic loses its benefits with thermal cooking. So the best way to consume it is raw. If it's not possible, garlic powder also works. 1 garlic clove is equivalent to 1/8 of teaspoon of garlic powder. Number 3, chia. Look how beautiful it is. Come closer. Chia is a cousin of flaxseeds. However, when it comes to the health of your gut, it wins over flaxseeds because it has 50% more fiber. Important, whole chia seeds provide little to no benefits unless you activate them by grinding them or soaking them in water for at least 30 minutes. Fiber is crucial for overall health. We want most of our fiber coming from fruits and vegetables. Our body associates fiber with good bacteria because fiber prevents inflammation. Here's how it works. Inflammation is a warning sign before any chronic disease. If our diets are chronically low in fiber, our body starts thinking that bad bacteria is invading our gut and sends a message. It creates an inflammatory response to save us. Adding 1 to 3 tablespoons of chia a day will take care of your daily fiber need. Number 2, unique phytobacteria for your gut. Super high in fiber. Sauerkraut. Fermentation process increases the benefits 100-fold. And this is true not only for sauerkraut, for all kinds of fermented products. Sauerkraut offers a unique combination of prebiotics and prebiotics. It is also high in lactic acid. Lactic acid is a natural antiseptic. Lactic acid kills pathogenic microorganisms in your gut, but leaves the good bacteria alone. Sauerkraut is a concentrated version of easily digestible food. It also helps peristalsis, which simply means it helps you move your bowels. Important, fermented foods should not contain added sugar. Oftentimes, commercially prepared fermented foods contain added sugar to speed up fermentation process. So make sure to start reading labels and better yet, make your own. If you want the healthiest and most delicious homemade fermented cabbage like this one, drop the word recipe below this video and I will make sure to share it with you next time. Fermentation is a naturally occurring process that breaks down naturally occurring sugars already. So why add extra? The keyword is natural. By the way, want to know the 5 easiest steps to heal your gut? Grab my free gut wellness checklist below this video to start fixing your gut right now. We have finally crawled up to the top. Number 1. Are you ready? We've got the healthiest food for our gut. Broccoli sprouts. Sprouted broccoli seeds have a unique mix of fiber and digestive enzymes. Sprouts are the most live food available on earth, perfect to rebalance your gut flora. Sprouting repackages any kind of food into easily digestible food. To compare, 1 tablespoon of broccoli sprout is equivalent to 1 pound of mature broccoli. That's crazy. Broccoli sprouts are fantastic for colon cancer prevention. Take 1 to 3 tablespoons of broccoli sprouts a day for 3 months to rebalance your gut. If you are new to sprouting process, make sure to watch my videos on how to sprout seeds where I not only share step-by-step instructions but also the correct way to eat them. Finally, remember, life is short if we eat primarily dead foods. Healing is not possible without a balanced microbiome. Clean gut equals clean body.